You've probably come across the flashy ads or online hype for MaxMan Male Enhancement Gummies, boldly claiming to boost your energy levels, improve blood flow, enhance stamina, and support overall male wellness. It almost sounds like a miracle in gummy form, right? But let's be real, when something makes this many promises, it's natural to pause and ask, does it actually deliver? Or is it just another overhyped product playing on people's insecurities and expectations? The first red flag is the complete lack of verified certifications. In an industry filled with bold marketing, having no recognized health or safety validation makes you question what's actually in these gummies. Dig a little deeper and you'll notice the high-pressure sales tactics. They use urgency, countdown timers, and phrases like limited stock to push you into buying fast, before you've had the chance to really think things through. Add to that a long list of benefits, but absolutely no solid scientific studies to support them, no published clinical trials, no expert endorsements, nothing that truly confirms these effects aren't just marketing talk. The product website feels like something churned out from a template, offering generic copy and stock images that don't inspire much confidence. Even the reviews seem fishy, too polished, too positive, and oddly repetitive, making it hard to tell if they're genuine or just paid fluff. That doesn't mean MaxMan gummies are outright fake or harmful, but when you weigh the lack of transparency, questionable marketing tactics, and too good to be true claims, it definitely lands in a gray zone. If you're serious about your health and looking for real results, it's worth taking a step back and asking yourself if a product with so many unanswered questions is really worth the gamble. In the world of supplements, not everything that glitters is gold, and MaxMan might just be another shiny wrapper around a very average product.